In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear autofill information in Google Chrome. Autofill can be incredibly helpful for speeding up online tasks by remembering your information. However, there might be times when you want to clear this data for security reasons or simply to start fresh. First, make sure you have Chrome open and displaying your main browser window. Once you're there, look to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll notice three small dots stacked vertically. This is often referred to as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on that to reveal a drop-down menu. Within this drop-down, you'll find a list of options. What you're looking for is Settings. Clicking on this option takes you to a new window where we can begin managing your browser's settings. Now, over on the left-hand side of the Settings window, you should see a variety of categories listed. Among these, look for Privacy and Security. When you click on this, you'll enter a section that's specifically focused on managing your data privacy and security settings. In the Privacy and Security section, you'll see an option that reads Clear Browsing Data. Click on that, and a pop-up window will appear. This window allows you to specify exactly what browsing data you want to clear. You'll notice that there are two tabs available here, Basic and Advanced. For our purpose, you'll want to navigate over to the Advanced tab. This will give you more control over the data you wish to clear. Within the Advanced tab, you'll see a time range drop-down menu. Click this and select All Time. This ensures that all autofill data retained over the entire lifespan of your browser usage is included in this clearing action. Below the time range, you'll see various checkboxes corresponding to different kinds of data. Locate autofill form data and make sure this box is checked. If you're only interested in removing autofill data, ensure all other boxes are unchecked. This precision allows you to only clear autofill data while preserving your other browsing information, like cookies or passwords, if that's important to you. After you've made these selections, you'll typically find a Clear Data button at the bottom of the window. Clicking this will finalize the clearing process, freeing your browser of any stored autofill entries. And there you have it. You've successfully cleared the autofill data in Google Chrome. Whether it's for enhancing your online security or tidying up your stored information, these steps make the process straightforward. Remember, if you ever need to save time filling out forms again, you can always re-enable autofill to start fresh in your new browsing chapter. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful browser tips.